name is Kayla and I'm the owner of It's All About Brows and Kayla J Cosmetics. So I'm doing a little video just to introduce myself and tell you exactly who I am and what I do. So I started a hairdressing apprenticeship approximately 10 years ago, so 2010. And in that apprenticeship I was lucky enough to learn eyebrows. So I was taught by the best of the best. I don't know if you've heard of Carolyn Fox, who was the main distributor and trainer for Anastasia Beverly in Australia. So I was very lucky to be trained by her, and we did eyebrows. I specialised in them for many years, and I got to travel around Australia teaching everybody how to do eyebrows and how to use the Anastasia makeup. So after I finished my apprenticeship, my passion was brows. I absolutely loved them. I did them all day long. So I decided to open up my own brow salon. I've had that since 2014 in October. So that would be 6 years this year that I've had my business. So about 3 years ago, I decided to take a step out of my comfort zone and open up my own salon, which I have had for 3 years, so I'm super proud about that. What we specialise here at It's All About Brows in is brow sculpting. We specialise in correcting any brows that have had any over tweezing, over waxing, or had a little bit of an accident. That is our main specialty. We fix a lot of eyebrows where girls have over tweezed them, but we also do a proper brow sculpt. So we go through, we measure them out to your face shape. We do a thorough consultation, just talking between you and us about what you want to do with your brow, what's your goal with your brow, and we also give you our professional opinion on what your brow should look like according to your face shape, because some people don't know. We also do show you how to pattern your brows in with these products to make that perfect brow, show you how to fill in any imperfections that you may have. So that's our main service, and that's where we originated from. But we also do lash lifts. I've been doing them for 4 years now, maybe 3 years. So we specialise in them. I absolutely love doing them. It's a very natural service compared to lash extensions, which I also love. But yeah, we also do all lip waxing, face waxing. We do anything on the face. Yeah, we're bringing in brow lamination, so that'll be coming in soon. We also have introduced all hairdressing services into our salon, which is pretty cool. As a qualified hairdresser, we decided that we have so much space in the salon that we would do that. So we offer all hairdressing services, which is pretty cool, which is why we have an apprentice hairdresser. So what that's led us to do is we've decided to create our own hair extension brand. I love hair extensions. So I've been getting them for 10 years. I'm obsessed with hair. I love hair. I think we all look better with more hair, as most girls know. So basically it's called Brooklyn and Harlow hair extensions. And here's our little pack. So we're super excited to launch these. These will probably be coming very soon, probably within the next couple of weeks. We have all of our stuff here. We're setting up our websites. So if you want any hair extensions, let us know. So that's a little bit about myself and how It's All About Brows came about. So we're in Varsity Lakes on the Gold Coast. If you're around, pop in, come say hello. And to everyone that's always seeing us, thank you so much for supporting us. I really appreciate it. Bye.